History of Class 8th SR. Today I am going to explain about kinds of quadrilaterals and what is meant by a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. A simple closed figure formed by four line segments is called a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. There are four sides in a quadrilateral. There are AB, BC, CD and DA. There are four vertices in a quadrilateral. There are A, B, C and D. There are four angles in a quadrilateral. There are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And there are two diagonals in a quadrilateral. What is meant by a diagonal? A diagonal passing through two opposite vertices of a quadrilateral is called a diagonal. There are two diagonals in a quadrilateral. Those are AC and BD. Now we are going to learn about kinds of quadrilaterals. This is a quadrilateral. And these are the two diagonals in a quadrilateral. Now we are going to learn about kinds of quadrilaterals. The first one is parallelogram. Now we are going to learn about kinds of quadrilaterals. This is a parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, two pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. The second one is rectangle. In a parallelogram, if one angle is equal to 90 degrees, then it is a rectangle. Now this is a rhombus. This is a rhombus. In a parallelogram, two adjacent sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. This is called as rhombus. In a rhombus, if one angle is equal to 90 degrees, then it is a square. This is a square. In a parallelogram, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel, this is called a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is a trapezium. In a parallelogram, if one opposite sides are equal, then it is called as trapezium. This is a figure of trapezium. This is isosceles trapezium. If two pairs of non-adjacent sides are unequal, it is called as isosceles trapezium. This is a figure of isosceles trapezium. Next one is kite. In a diagram, if two pairs of adjacent sides are equal, then it is known as kite. This is a figure of kite. Thank you. Have a nice day.